Haven't done a cold start video in a while. It's my 98 12 valve that I did a 6-speed manual swap on. 560,000 kilometers. -2 Celsius. Fan doesn't want to kick into low range. I took a 1,200 kilometer road trip the other day and it's stuck in full blast now, so I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah. Idle around town, see if it fixes itself, but I might have to get a new fan clutch.